So are you recording? Have you? Okay.
Yeah. So as
Hello.
like, yeah, hello, good evening.
Good evening to you. So tell me about yourself. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. So as
Yeah.
talking about myself, as my name is Sunidhi Kumari, I am from Jharkhand. As I'm studying class 9, I have 5 members in a family and it's 3 siblings, one me and 2 small brothers. And my hobby is to learn English language and to learn something new, as well as I'm so much eager to learn English language. So that's why I'm practicing here in the Skype application, even though I'm just running a YouTube channel. That's all about me. So,
Wow.
could you introduce yourself, please?
Yes, why not? It's my turn to introduce myself in front of you. So my name is Shyam Kumar. I'm from Jharkhand state. My district is Godda. There for my Muslim family, me and my wife and 2 kids. I love traveling and connecting with the new people. My qualification is 12. Yeah, this is the short introduction about myself.
Wow, that's very fantastic as we are both from the Jharkhand. Am I right?
Yeah, you are right. Because earlier time
Okay,
I
so
one time I connected you, so I know that you are from Jharkhand.
yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, so as
yes, today my topic is
oh,
girls education. We have to talk. Why is
yeah,
important?
definitely.
Yes.
Okay. So you can start first, then I will be continue.
Yes. Today I have given you topic means today our topic is girls education. Before 15 minutes, before I prepared something, I was thinking every day in different topic I will discuss. It is good topic for nowadays scenario in this time. Why is much necessary girl education? You know, without an education, human life is like an animal. So in this time, I will tell you, previous time was not giving girls to good education. So in nowadays, people are giving girls also both education. In this time, I think that boys and girls are equal. But you know, there are some fields people are not giving girls to good education. So in this time, you can see that crime is rape, any kinds of is happening in our area. What is the reason? I mean that there is lack of education in women's society. It should be accelerated to government to give good education to all women or all girls. So what do you think about everything is happening in our society?
Okay. As you are absolutely right, the topic is really very important for us to discuss about the girls' education. As I'm also a girl, so I can say that the earlier people they was not aware about the girls' education. They were just They were just only going forward through the household working, household chores. They were just thinking that girls cannot do anything in their life. They should be at home only, and they have to do the household chores. The thinking, the think of the people, the mindset of the people was different at the time. But now we can see that the mindset of the people has been changed, and they have just think that everybody they can do anything in their life if they have the command on the education. Because if we are also commanding on the education, if we have the education, if we have the knowledge, if we have the education, then we can do anything in our life. We can just gonna to get any job in our future life, in our coming time. So that's why education is really very important for us. As we can also say that a lots of thing has been fought about the girls. Like we can also say that the sati pratha was the system that was holding at the before times. So earlier people they were just doing the sati pratha system, but it has been reformed by it has been reformed by people. So I can see that there is necessary, and there's a lots of people they had just go through, and that they had just searched on that the girls have the also ability to do something in their life. So I can see the people when we just telling to us, telling to them, and just giving the knowledge to the girls that you have not to study, you have not to study, you have to only do the household chores. But we don't have to become the dependent on somebody. We have to be like independent in ourselves. We should have the own ability to do something. So that's what we can say the girls have the ability to do, and they should not be dependent on the other people's. Like after marriage, they are just dependent on the their husband. So I can see that we should be independent ourselves. We should be independent in ourselves. So we will not going to face a lot of difficulties. Like if we will be independent, then we can do anything. We have money. We can do anything. We can help people. We can do anything whatever we just wanted. So I can see the girls' education is really very important, and there should be not inequality. There should not be discrimination between the people, like it is a girl, it is a boy, it is like this or that. So we should not be do discriminations on the basis of caste, religion, or education purpose. So we should not be do like that. Everybody in the world is same. All the people, they have the right to education, have all the things to do. They have the right. So that's why, like nowadays, we can see we have the right of education for doing anything, because in the constitutions also it has been written we have the right for doing something. So that's why I can say that nowadays all the people, they are just getting through on the education part, and we can also say that the girls are also increasing the population of the educations nowadays. So I can see it is really very important for us. We should not do the discrimination between the people.
Yeah, absolutely right. Whatever you deliver, it's truly right. So you have good explanation about this. But I know few points. Yes, but I want to say that about if girls are educated, then he can become a good mother. Mother is the first teacher of his children. If that women are educated, then can give good education. If get good education any woman, then what happens with any partner, means husband or so ill anything, then she can do good work anywhere. It will too easy to work, I think anywhere. It will help. If
Yes, yes.
health issue, if have any problem, then also we can maintain how to keep themselves healthy.
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right. I agree with the point that if we are so much educated, then we can teach anybody. Like if we can be a teacher, there is a lot of teacher, girls teacher, women teacher. There is a lot of. They are just giving the knowledge to the other people. They are just giving the knowledge, educational knowledge to other people. So we can get a lot of knowledge. If we are also a good mother, then we can teach our children. We can gonna to like we can create our own generation. We can create a good generation. There will be not the poverty line, we can say. There all the condition will be okay if we are educated. So that's why people, they should be educated, and the people only just thinking that the girl should not be educated. But I just wanted to suggest to them that the girls should be also educated, because we can also say in the world, whoever they are just existing in the world, like girls, boys, anyone, they are just existing in the world. They have the different mindset to do something better. Like we can see that everybody, they are just perfect in one thing in their life. Like if somebody is perfect in the dancing, then they can go through any field. So I can say everybody, they have a creativity in their mind. Everybody, they have their different mindset to do something better. So through the discussion, through the opinion of the other people, by getting the opinion of the other people, our new, like our country can be developed. We can see that all the people, they have the different mindset. If we just gonna to take all the people's opinions, other different opinions, then we can develop our country also. So that's why the getting the knowledge of the women and girls is really very important.
So I think that you belong to city town area. You live in any town.
Yeah,
Yes.
no, like it is
Have
not
you
like that.
ever visited in village area how the condition of women so bad condition and you will find.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Do you know that it has, yeah, do you know that it has been better than the earlier times? The earlier
Yes.
people, they were also very roast about the girls' education system, but now it is okay in the rural system also. All the people, they are just getting the equality to do something, getting the equality to get a good job, a good opportunity in their life. All the people, they are just knowing about the education, they are getting educated, because everybody, they are just getting knowledge. I can say I have also visited a lot of rural areas. In that, I have just seen all the people, they are educated, they are just doing the education, they are good at all. But earlier people, they were not aware of in the rural areas, the condition was really very rough. So I can say now that all the thing is developing and the mindset of the people are also getting developed.
Yes, yes, yes. You have highlighted good things about this topic. Thank you for sharing such a good. Your thought is very good. So, suppose that if you want to become education minister, then what kinds of changes you want to bring in our society, maybe in our nation?
Okay, okay, yeah, definitely I can. If I will the education minister, then I can change a lot of thing in our country. Yeah, I will just gonna to fix conditions through which all the people will get a lots of jobs, lots of education through which our India can be developed easily. So there is a lot of I can say. The first thing I would be change in the government school, the system of the government school. I would like to change I can see the system of the private school should be like the government school also. All the people they should be treated as a private school. It is not like that today I'm just going government school and like talking about the government only. Like today I'm just present in the class and after 10 days I will be present or I'm just bunking the classes. This type of thing should not be there. It should be the mandatory attendance should be there 100% attendance should be there. There should be the strict rules and regulations in the government or school also, and the education should be really very great. The people, there should not be excuses made by the teachers. I'm not knowing, and we can also say that earlier government school was not aware about these things and the teacher were also not good. They were not giving a good knowledge to the people, good knowledge to the students. So I would like to change this type of things. Firstly, like I want to change the government of school. Then I can see I would like to change the mindset of the people. The people who is just laughing at the people that they cannot do. So I would, if I would be the education minister, then I can say that there should be the opportunity, there should be the job opportunity for everybody. In every sector, there should be opportunity like drawing sector, the one who is lady ones, women, girls. There should be the household sources. For that, there will be also the income. So I can say that these are lots of changes we can do if we are just knowing about the education, if we are educated.
Yes, yes. I want to say about you something. Your whatever you are speaking, you are commendable, remarkable. So also my niece studied in 10th class, but she can't able to speak. You have information. So how did you develop this information? You know everything.
Everything about the English language only.
Yeah, about English language. Also, you have a great idea about many topics. So how did you know this thing, Miss?
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, for that I've just to study. I've just go through on the books. I just also go to the schools. In the books, all the things are available, and we can develop our mindset by watching the papers, by seeing our society. We can change our mindset. We can learn a lot of knowledge. For that, we should have to travel also. If we will travel more and more places, then we can gonna to get a lots of knowledge from that also. If we will gonna to read a lots of books, the teacher will they will going to understand you that what is correct, what is wrong, and what is necessary for us. And we should have to also there is also social media through which we can going to get a lots of knowledge from it. And there's a lots of people that you can that going to teach you a lots of knowledge about the information. And talking about the speaking English language, I'm just practicing here in the Skype application only. For speaking English language, for speaking confident English language, there should be a regular practice. If we have the command on the regular practice, then we can really go to speak very well English language. Yeah, so like this only, I'm just improving my English communication day by day.
Yes, yes. Okay, something also I want to add about yourself. I think that your mind is like A plus, A grade. A plus. I will get. I think you can achieve any goal in your life. I can understand your mind. Your mind is so amazing. Means your thought is so amazing. Also, your IQ is so great. I think. I think you can achieve your goal. Whatever your wish, I think you can achieve.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yes, yes. Okay,
Okay,
it was
so
nice
like,
connecting you. Maybe in future I will bring new any good topic related our society. Okay.
yeah, definitely. So thank
Yeah,
you so
it
much for
was.
giving such a valuable time. Bye.
Bye.